When a handsome man ignores a woman, she may react with confusion, curiosity, or even anger and insecurity, depending on her personality and the existing relationship. Her initial reaction could be to try and re-establish contact, but if that fails, she might feel resentful or emotionally detached from him. In some cases, she may withdraw as well, especially if she perceives it as a rejection or lacks sufficient interest in the man, while others may try to regain attention by being more engaging or assertive. Initial reactions: confusion and curiosity. A woman may be confused by the sudden silence and become curious about the reason for it, especially if there was a previous connection or attraction. Insecurity and anger. Being ignored can feel like a personal rejection, leading to feelings of insecurity, sadness, or even anger. Withdrawal. If a woman feels ignored or that her efforts are not being reciprocated, she may withdraw as well. Subsequent responses. Seeking validation. She might try to regain attention by being more active on social media or by initiating contact to get a response and prove her worth. Emotional detachment. If repeated attempts to reconnect fail, she may begin to emotionally detach, losing interest and respect for the man. Moving on. If she never had strong feelings or an existing foundation of attraction, she will likely just move on and not overthink the situation. Factors influencing her reaction. Existing relationship. Her reaction will differ based on whether she has feelings for him, has known him for a while, or if he is a stranger. Perceived intent. A woman's perception of why he is ignoring her is crucial. If she thinks it's intentional, she might react negatively, but if she believes he is just busy or has a different communication style, her reaction may be different. Personality. Some women are more resilient and may not be affected by being ignored, while others might be more sensitive to the perceived rejection. When a woman is ignored by a man she finds handsome, her facial reaction can vary widely depending on the social context, her personality, and her existing emotional state. A woman may show different expressions depending on whether she was actively flirting or simply observing from a distance. Subtle and indirect reactions. When a woman feels an initial attraction but is not actively engaged with the man, her reaction may be subconscious and subtle. Initial disappointment. Her smile or gaze may freeze or drop slightly. Her eyes might flick away from the man to avoid being caught staring. A fake smile for others. If she is with friends, she may quickly put on a closed lip or tight smile to hide her disappointment. Preening and self-soothing. She might subconsciously adjust her hair, clothes, or posture, as if trying to re-evaluate her own appearance or regain her composure after the social rejection. Dismissive or cold expression. To protect her ego, she might put on a hard or cold expression. This signals to the man and anyone watching that she was not interested.